Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors at the airfield today with another drone. We've had a lot of drones lately,
I feel like it was we went a long time without any drones.
We did a lot of trucks.
Yeah.
We should call it, you know, they have like Shark Week on the Animal Planet.
We should have designated weeks.
Truck Week, Drone Week, Airplane Week, Race Drone Week. That'd be cool. Well, we've had a big variety of drones, and not a lot of them are on Amazon, but this one is. It's the Gool RC T32. We'll have it linked in the description box below. You'll notice that the price is a little higher on this than similar other drones on our channel that we've done recently. This is a folding Wi-Fi FPV camera drone. It's about 60 bucks. Now, just a couple days ago, we did one that had like little paint splotches on it. It was like $45 and it was amazing.
Well, that Holy Stone one that looked kind of similar to that yellow
kind of
one,
overpriced.
Voltbee, similar price range on Amazon. So
that's true. When
Amazon things are usually for drones are usually more expensive.
Yes, that's because you have to pay for the customer service, the return policy. That sort of thing costs money. Yeah. So we have instructions. The box itself isn't much worth talking about, but the little bag in here is kind of nice. Although I don't understand. I guess you don't really need that. Little guy unfolds. Oops, I pushed it too far. Look at that. I mean, it was just a simple little. Okay, so that's easy to do. I don't know about this one, guys. I just like. So you can put it in the bag. Let's just do this. Really
oh my gosh!
We have to see. Oh, trust me,
I
they do.
want to know. Do you really care? Do you really care about if
boxes and
it's
bags
in
and
the bag? No,
let us know.
I want to know if you care about.
Why is this? Why is it for all the accessories? All this stuff? Probably. Okay. Anyway.
It doesn't fit in the bag.
It does not. Simple transmitter. Everything's labeled except for the 4 buttons that are up top. Probably the most important 4 buttons. This is our phone holder. 4 prop guards. We're not going to use those. If you're a beginner, I do highly recommend them. And then in this bag of accessories, we probably have our everything else.
I think you gave up on this drone the second you like.
4 spare props. We do have landing gear in here. Our USB charge cable and our very standard size and connector type battery with a Phillips screwdriver. This is a single cell LiPo, 3.7 volts. It's rated at 850 milliamps. So hopefully we get about a 10-minute flight time out of
Show
this
us that drone again.
if we're lucky.
You broke it and then pulled it away.
Yeah, so it opens, but you want to do it kind of slowly because you can pull that past the point of no return. Camera here, it's a fixed pitch, and then the battery tray on the back here. It's very light, feels very cheaply made. I think that I'm just a little disappointed in the presentation of this for $60. It just, I don't know.
Yeah,
it just seems like it's
like a $60.
I mean, Abby, we just did a couple drones.
I know.
The DM107S we just did a couple days ago, home run, and it's like 45 bucks. This is 15 more dollars, and I feel like you're getting less quality, paying more. But that's the.
Let's fly it and see how it does.
Yeah, I knew there was a reason I didn't like this drone. So I've done this a few times now. We turn it on, turn the transmitter on. This is how you do the toy grade stuff. Throttle up, throttle down. Okay, now we're bound. We do motors. It's got issues, guys. It's not even binding now. There we go. Up, down. Now we go start the motors. When we stop the motors, now the motors won't start again.
Did go up and down or whatever you did?
Up, down. Once you start and stop the motors one time, the whole thing has to be reset.
What?
Yeah. So, turn the drone on, turn the transmitter on, wait for the lights to change, throttle up, down. It's got issues with the whole...
Didn't beep.
The binding process has got bad issues. So let's just fly it for a second.
Okay, give me my phone.
Hold on.
Oh.
I just wanted to fly it just for a second. Because it does, seems like it's flying. Throttle down is all the way right now. It's one of those drones. That's full throttle down that whole time. Okay, motors have stopped. and now they won't start again. You have to reset the drone
There's
completely.
no like auto takeoff button or anything?
Yeah, right here, watch.
Now try to do down and out.
No.
Hold it. Hold that. Now try to do down and out.
No. I've never had a drone
Do
that
down
does
and
this.
up.
Here, pass it around, all you subscribers, give it a shot. This, the phone holder falls off, by the way. Abby's just playing around with the controls. She doesn't believe me. Probably half of you guys don't believe me either. It's junk. Total junk. What'd you hit?
There's a lock unlock button.
Okay. Okay.
You're leaving this, by the way.
Yeah. Okay. I see. I see the button. Okay. Alright, let me just hold on a second.
Doing.
I call that the walk of shame. Okay, sorry. Let's do this.
I think you are just very judgmental of this drone, Nathan.
Well, I
I feel like you are going in with some preconceived like notion or bias or something.
Okay, alright. I love this drone. I love this drone. Let's fly this drone. I love this drone. I love this drone. I love this drone. I am going to love this drone. Alright. Sorry about that. I'm going to blame it on the extreme heat. Very hot. The brain hurts. This drone looks amazing in the sky.
No, it doesn't. It's white.
Yeah, it's hard to see. Let's fly it into the cloud. Where'd it go, Abby? In the clouds. Where'd it go? Where is it?
White drones are the worst on a cloudy day.
Yeah, they are hard to film. Has a unique shape, doesn't it?
Mhm.
It's got like tall.
It's quite clear that this is not worth $60.
No, it's not. But that little incident was my fault. I didn't. But since when does a drone have that function anyway?
Usually, if it has some type of function like lock unlock, it's in like an app and not on a transmitter.
Yeah. All right, we gotta have some rates. There's rates. Top left little button. 3 rates. Good. Good. This is much better. Oh wow. Wow, look at that.
And this is
Y'all
altitude
insane.
hold, right?
Yes, it is. Altitude hold. The pitch is crazy on this. When you give it pitch plus yaw.
Oh, I don't have the
Kinda
mic
goes
pointing
nuts.
the way we usually like it to
No,
point.
it's okay.
Whoops.
Do you have flips?
Nope.
There we go. Flip.
Yep. Whoa, that was like a roll, not a flip.
Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1.
See that?
Yeah, it like bails out. It's like dive,
Yeah.
dive.
That one didn't do it as bad, did it?
No.
Just that one way. That was weird.
I'm doing full throttle down and it's descending very slow. I don't like that.
What else does this got?
That's it. Wi-Fi FPV. Camera quality is meh.
Meh.
Yeah, good, not great.
I think you're just embarrassed.
Well, I mean, you know, I've done 1,000 of these. You'd think I kind of know what I was doing by now.
You made fun of me when I said, let me see this.
Yeah,
Okay, everybody, let's pass it around.
yeah.
Oh, funny.
Not a proud moment there. But whatever. I'm a real person. Make mistakes. Real boy. Look at that yaw. That's not bad. Guys, if this was like a $30 drone, I'd be saying snatch it right up.
Even $40.
Even 40. But it's 60.
Yeah.
So, you know.
If you find this on
hard for me to-
sale,
It-
I would pick it up, but if it's not on sale, I would not pick it up.
It's hard for me to rant and rave about a drone that embarrassed me. Also, that's overpriced.
Your ego's hurt, isn't it?
No, not
Yeah,
that bad. Just a
yeah,
little. Okay,
just a
real
little.
bad. It's fine. I'm just joking around a little bit about that. I do make mistakes. We all do. Abby's made mistakes and stuff too. And I'm sure
Why are you dragging me down with you?
everyone out there watching this has made mistakes. Go
Wow.
ahead. Just leave it in the comments section and just let me have it. How bad was that mistake I made? How bad? It's weird, right? Once you land, you got this like motor lock button to unlock the motors again. When you first plug it in,
On a toy grade drone.
on a toy grade drone, that's kind of weird. When you land it, you know, when you first take off, you can push the sticks down and out. But then after you've landed and the motors have actually stopped, you can't push them down and out again. You just gotta hit that motor stop button. Weird.
It's a lock button.
It is a lock button. Strange. I don't know. Probably safety or something. Maybe we'll see more of that in the future.
Maybe when our child comes along, we'll understand why that button's there.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's definitely a
horrible
safety
drone.
feature. I mean, if you think with like you have young kids around, and you land your drone really quick and throw your transmitter down and like have to go do something really quick and the kid touches the transmitter, they can't just throttle up and like kill somebody.
Yeah. It's probably a good thing.
I mean, they do lock things on race drones.
Yeah.
But we just didn't expect it on a toy drone.
No. I certainly did not. I was ready to like
Or in the trash.
Well, I would never throw it in the trash, but hypothetically. Hypothetically, is that the right word?
Sure.
Sure.
I'm good with that.
Hippopotamously.
Yep, that's it.
It's flying. There's a butterfly.
Don't kill the butterfly.
No, I'm flying away from the butterfly. I like it. It's fun to fly. The Wi-Fi is not good. Camera quality is not good. Weird functions that confused me. Not good. But overall, it's okay. Flying in the breeze, fine. The little drone. Gool RC is kind of hit and miss, and it's certainly overpriced. But maybe by now this is a little bit cheaper. And when we got it, it was $61. Yeah. That's probably one of my quieter videos.
Because your ego.
Yeah, I know.
Bruised.
Big bruise. On my heart and soul.
Let me fly.
Okay. And hold on to your phone, it's just balancing there. Don't fly away, drone. No, don't fly away. Don't. We love you.
Does this get any faster?
Yeah, there's another. Here. Oh, nope, that was the highest rate. I'm sorry, maybe it's that one. Yeah, that's it. They're not labeled.
Hey, when the buttons aren't labeled.
Hate when those buttons aren't labeled. Yeah, get off the grass. No, there goes your phone. Yeah, the phone holder is really bad on this. That was not good, Abby.
Ugh. The grunt to pick things up right now. Okay, stop recording. Take a picture.
Take a picture.
It makes the sky white and the buttons blend in.
Yeah. You cannot see the buttons.
I don't know if I'm taking a picture or not.
You hit it like
oh,
50
it just
times.
froze. It just froze.
Okay, try to get the drone.
The whole
back.
app. The app froze.
App crashed.
It didn't crash, it just froze.
Froze, crashed.
It's trying to come back. It's still frozen.
It's hard to see, isn't it? On the camera,
Yeah,
especially
okay.
here.
I give up on this app. App is junk.
Yeah, agreed. I wasn't using the FPV at all. It's just flying line of sight. It's really, really laggy. You really just can't use it.
There's just better things on the market than this.
Trying to adjust the
It's
camera.
also, it just like takes a minute when I hit a control.
A little bit of a delay, huh?
Like especially the yaw, like it just takes a minute. Like I'll try to get it closer
Please do.
and
You're
show
quite
you.
far.
It likes to go out right now.
Still, the wind is to our backs.
Okay, so hitting left, and now it goes
A little
left.
delay, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It just takes a minute for it to like kick in. It's just kind
Its
of
reaction time is kind
Yeah.
of slow.
Why is this battery life so long?
I don't know. It's a pass.
It is a pass.
Do we need to wrap it up at the end of the video? No.
It's a
We'll wrap it up now.
Yeah, we should just wrap it.
Total pass. Guys, save your money. Buy a drone that doesn't embarrass you. No, it's really
Oh,
just,
there goes.
it's a decent drone, but there's much better stuff out there for your money. I mean, if you appreciate what we do, you got a good kick out of me just messing up, then give us a like. The little things that pop up in the corner right here, those are cards, things that we would recommend instead of this. So be sure to check those out, and we'll have more content come to the channel soon. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.